Hello and welcome to Dark CSS 2-minute project series. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a simple QR code generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You just need to enter a link or text, click the button and boom, your QR code is generated instantly. Let's break it down step by step. In HTML, we have a basic structure. Inside the body, we have a div with class container. It includes an input field for typing the text or link, a div to display image, and a button to trigger QR code generation. Now let's talk about styling. We have centered the whole layout using flexbox, both vertically and horizontally. The container is given padding, background, and rounded corners to give a card-like look. The input and button are styled with full width, padding for touch friendliness, border radius for smooth curves. The QR code box is styled to display generated code clearly at the center. Lastly, we have style button to look nice and also has a nice hover effect for interactively. Now comes the main logic in JavaScript. First, we are selecting input field, the button and the QR code display box using getElementById. We then add a click event listener to the button. When the button is clicked, we read the value typed in input. We check if the input is not empty. If empty, show alert message. If not, then we use QR code API from their website. This API allows us to generate QR codes by passing parameters to the URL. Here the data is our text or link. 150 into 150 defines the image dimension. We dynamically create an image tag with src set to that QR code URL. And that's it. We built a simple clean QR code generator using pure HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Dark CSS. Thanks.